Hey guys! Thank you guys so much for watching. This is sadly my last vacation video where my family and I travel around Atlanta for one day. We go see the aquarium, we go see the Coca-Cola factory, and then we take a tour of the CNN tour. Sadly, the CNN tour we couldn't record. It sucks. What even sucks even more is the aquarium. They have a dolphin show and a sea lion show, and you can't record any of it. I get why they probably want to protect it so other people can enjoy it when they come, but still, I love dolphins and I really wanted to record because they did some pretty cool stuff. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe. Gas station haul on your way to Atlanta. Milky Way midnight. And this Hershey's Reese's. Yum. Made it to Atlanta. Is that the Olympic torch? These are all the fish above us. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to feel. She can remember. The seals, clownfish are tiny. Oh, there's shark, whale shark, stingrays everywhere. Oh, there's another bubble thing over there. all the Finding Dory animals. They're huge too. I don't think, have you seen beluga whales before? Whoa. Whoa, we got seals in here too. Sea lion. Swimming upside down. Look how cute! Don't go in through this kid tunnel. Look at this! I'm in the tunnel, they're right there. I can pet them. How cool is this? We're at the top.
That's not a pool.
It's probably the big tank with the whales and stuff.
Yeah, they're doing the diving.
How huge this place is.
Jesus.
We just came from the aquarium and now we're going to World of Coca-Cola.
Ensures that the magic lives on.
And here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the vault that holds the only original handwritten copy for the formula of Coca-Cola. We bought it here December 8, 2011.
Someone's gonna count how many times the word Coca-Cola is in this museum. Oh my goodness. Even though I'm a girl who doesn't like Coke, yes, I don't like soda, but still being in this museum is pretty cool. Look at that, you know, these Coke things everywhere. Some right there, oh, a purple one. These, really cool. This one's really cool. Oh. Well, we're in the taster area. We can taste 100 different flavors. And I don't like Coke, but I'm going to try some anyways. From Latin America, from Africa, to Europe, to Asia. Really cool. Thailand, Fanta, it's good flavor, but I just, the carbonation gets me. That's like a kid's drink. Ow! Carbonation down my throat. How are you liking it, Mother?
I like the Thailand one the better.
Madagascar. Good. It's not as much carbonated. That's the Bimbo candy pineapple from South Africa. Bad, no. In the gift shop now, and it is overwhelming with the amount of red and black. Oh, blue. So much stuff with the words Coca-Cola on it. What the medium surprise is. Dun 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 dun. Oh. A lunch box. Wow.
This is worth $5.
I can use it for work.
Yeah. I think something's being filmed here. Hey guys, it is sadly our last day here on our vacation. We are in Atlanta in the CNN headquarters. We're going to be taking a studio tour, so that should be really cool. And yeah, we fly back to Florida today. I'm sad. The offices, it's crazy here. Like this one. Where is it? Yeah, hi. These have animals. Cute. Spy on people. Okay. The Stranger Things middle school. Comment down below if you guys seen the show. Hawkins is the town, and this is a school at the airport. Going back to Florida.